Whoa, whoa, wee! Looks really pretty lights. Look at Athena. She likes the lights.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's so pretty. It's a bit dark, but the lights are so pretty. And then Athena is so curious. She is curious. Curious. She is curious.
Curious, yeah.
And Luna is here. Look, it's dark. Look gorgeous. Good morning, baby. They're kissing to each other. Good morning, gorgeous. Yeah? Good morning. Good morning, baby. Would you like some nibbles now? Would you like some nibbles now, gorgeous? Yes? Would you like nibbles? Yeah? Okay. Athena, would you like to smell the flowers? Athena, that's a plastic flower, gorgeous. This is a plastic flowers. Baby, it's a plastic flowers, gorgeous. My sweet angel. How about you, Luna? Luna? Do you like that flowers, babe? It's mommy's plastic flowers. What's up? It's okay. Don't panic. Don't panic, baby. Luna? What's up, baby? Whoa. It's falling. It's okay. That's mommy's flowers. It's fine. Oh. Just keep falling. I'm just trying to get you a good, Luna. Luna. You look shocked. What's up, baby? You look shocked, gorgeous girl. What's up? So cutie pie. Hi everyone, good morning. Look at these two, Luna and Athena. They are not friends again. They've been have a play fighting today. Look at that, guys. It's just only a play fighting. They're not hurting themselves. It's so cute though. Athena trying to push her. She said, "Bring it on." Look at Athena's tail. Oh, poor Athena. She doesn't want to play fight anymore. Because, yeah. Poor babies. So cute. Thank you guys for watching.